A lot of people wonder when they can return to work after their hair transplantation procedure. And it really depends on you and the job you have. I myself went through the procedure approximately 7 months ago, and I was seeing patients within a couple hours of my procedure. Now, most people are going to wait till at least the day afterwards. Remember, after your procedure, we're going to put you on some prescription pain medications. Most people are going to be off this by noon the next day, but while you're on them, you're not going to want to make any important decisions. The next group of people might want to wait 2 days until they return to work. Remember, we're going to put a dressing on your head after your procedure, and that's going to be quite obvious. You're going to take off that dressing in 2 days, so if you have a job in the social setting, you might want to wait till the 2-day mark. The next group of people can return to work at 5 days. At 5 days, you can start doing moderate activities, which means you can sweat, but you can't strain. So if you have to walk around for your job, either outside, if you have to walk around for your job, but not physically exert yourself, then 5 days might be your mark. At 10 days, you can not only sweat, but you can do some moderate straining. So if your job entails you walking around plus picking up lighter objects, then 10 days will be the time you want to return to work. At the 3-week mark, you can not only sweat, but you can strain pretty heavily. And that's when people who actually do physical labor can actually return to work after your procedure without limitations. So there you have it. Depending on who you are and the job you have will determine when you're going to go back to work. It could be as early as a couple hours later, or it could be up to 3 weeks before you're back at full activity.